Hey, this will be a video chart on LCRE. Doing this one for one reason only. This big volume bar. Didn't really get too many requests for it. I'm just kind of doing it just because. But with a big volume bar like this on these 000 stocks, it could mean maybe a bigger move's coming, or it might just mean that nothing happens at all. But bottom line is, when you see big volume days like this, it's something that you should at least take note of, and put it on your watch list and see what happens. I'll be watching it tomorrow, seeing if there's any sort of upwards move after that, after today's action, going into the weekend. What could happen, and like I said, could happen. So I don't know. This is pure speculation on my part, but maybe this is some sort of capitulation day, meaning that whoever's been selling and maybe holding this down on these past big volume days. We had a big volume on this drop off over here, but maybe, just maybe, this person is finally out. Over 700 million shares traded today, biggest it's seen in well over a month and a half. So perhaps this person finally just said, or this group, whoever it is, maybe just said, all right, that's it, I'm going to get out, clear out the rest of my account. And they just unloaded, and that's that. And with any sort of pressure now, maybe the price can head back upwards much easier. Once more, this is just speculation, but when you see big volume like this, those thoughts need to cross your mind, because if it is indeed the case, then this is the price isn't going to have much resistance, and it should be able to head upwards relatively easy and make some nice gains. So with that being said, let's say we do start to get some upwards momentum. Where are the key areas that we want to get through? Well, the short-term one is actually where it bounced off today. That's right here at the high, which was 0.007, 0007. So that's going to be a shorter-term resistance level. But if it can get through that, then really things start to thin out quite a bit, and you really don't have another key resistance from a charting perspective until up at this area here at 0012. So percentage speaking, that could be a very nice move. I am going to make that line a little thicker, because I think this will put up quite a bit of a fight. You can see that there's been 3 times now where the price has bumped its head off of it. There's once, and then the second and third time right there. But this 0007 level is also going to be pretty important too. It's got quite a bit of price history with it, so keep an eye on this, and if it can get through that and some nice volume, then we might be able to see a nice little run. What's great about these 000 stocks is they don't have too much trouble building momentum. Everybody always likes to play a 000 stock. So if the chart starts to move and the price shows that it can move, a lot of people will like to hop in and try to play the momentum, scalp it, and so forth. So with these, momentum can get build quickly, and if it is indeed a case of a capitulation, you combine less resistance levels with building momentum, and you got a good recipe for a pretty exciting day. So we'll have to see what tomorrow brings in the next week, but overall, interesting chart. We'll see if anything comes out of this volume, or if it just keeps going sideways, or puts in some lower lows here. But I think it's worth at least keeping an eye on. So if you have any other questions on the chart, please let me know. If not, I'd encourage you to check out bullwarriorstocks.com. If you go there and sign up for the free newsletter, you'll be sent a free ebook, and with your newsletter subscription, you'll get chart setups, trade ideas, educational pieces, all sorts of things from penny stocks up to big boards. So there's a good variety, something for everybody. It's all free, so it's worth at least signing up and checking out. We've been making some good money together and so forth. So I'd encourage you to head to the website and sign up. One more time, this was LCRE. Thanks for listening.